me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Keerthi Kumar, and in case if you're visiting my channel for the first time, or in case if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do click the subscribe button, guys. That means so much to me. And yes, today's video is all about this Glam Gold Smoky Eye kind of makeup look with a bold lip on. So yes guys, in case if you want to know how I got this makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching the video. So yes guys, I'm done with my base makeup already, and also my brows. In case if you just want to know how I do my brow routine, I have already done a detailed video on how I do my brows, so do check that out. I'll be linking that on the top if you just want, or in the description box. So yeah, for the foundation today, I have used the Laura Mercier's Silk Cream Moisturizing Photo Edition Foundation in the shade Suntan 4-in-1. And yeah, for the concealer today, I've used this KKW Beauty Concealer in the shade called 9. So yeah, these are the products which I've used for my base makeup today, just like for my foundation and concealer. So let's get into the eye makeup now. And for the eye makeup, I'm just taking this, I'm gonna use the Startiest Pro palette for the eyeshadow today. Just look at that stunning colors in that palette, guys. It has got beautiful combinations of mattes and shimmers in this palette, and it's a super amazing palette for bridal makeup artists, or you know, if you're a beginner who just want to use some neutrals and want to have some good matte shades in your collection, then just check this palette out, because this has got like super amazing matte shadows all over here. These are all the matte shades in this palette, so you can create like different looks when you just want to use like full-on matte shadows and create a matte eyeshadow look. You can just go with it, or even if you have like different shimmer shadows, like if you just have single shimmer eyeshadows, you can just have this palette, just you know, use the mattes in this palette and just put that shimmer shades on. So it's a beautiful palette, and it's one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes right now. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the eye makeup. So yeah, I'm just taking my fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna take this shade called Innocent right here. So I'm just taking this shade called Innocent. So this shade, and I'm gonna apply that on my crease area. Now I took this color which is called Whimsy from the same palette, and I'm applying that on my crease. Now I'm gonna take this shade which is called Smoked from the same palette, and I'm gonna apply that on the outer V area, and also slightly into the crease area as well. So just see, I'm applying this in the outer V, also slightly taking it on the outer crease as well. Just doing the same for the other eye. I'm taking the MAC 217 Clean Fluffy blending brush, and I'm just blending that out on the crease. So it kind of gives some good transition, guys. So I always love to kind of blend the shadows with a clean brush later on, so that the colors will look a lot more blended. Can you see the difference between this eye and this eye right now? So this looks like a lot more blended at the outer part. I'm just doing the same for the other eye. So now I'm gonna spray some Fix Plus on this brush, the flat eyeshadow brush. Just, you know, like 2 pumps of it. And now I'm gonna take this gold shadow right here. You can take any gold shadow from any palette that you have, guys. I'm just taking this gold eyeshadow with this brush, and I'm gonna apply that on the lid area now. Wow, that's like so nicely pigmented, and it's not chalky. So I hate eyeshadows which are like chalky and chunky because they give like a lot of fallout and they look so awful. When you just see that in person, they look just so bad, but I just love the finely milled eyeshadows. Yep, I'm just doing the same for the other eye. So yeah, we're done with the lid shade, guys, and whenever I'm dealing with the lid shade, I always love to spray some Fix Plus on that, you know, just because it intensifies the shadow and you can get a lot more payoff with the shadow. And now I'm gonna go back with the outer V part. So I'm just gonna take this black eyeshadow right over here and I'm gonna apply that on the outer V. Don't worry about that mess, guys. I'm gonna blend that out with a fluffy blending brush. So once I place the color. So now I'm taking another clean fluffy blending brush and I'm just blending that crease area out. And if you just feel that you need a little more intensity of that gold color, you can always go back and just put that up there. So again, I'm just going back and kind of blending that out. Just only on the outer part. So yeah, we're done with the eyeshadow part now, like the top of the eyeshadow. So once we do the full-on base makeup, like the blush and the other parts of it, we're gonna go with the bottom lash line, so as usually. So yeah, for the setting the makeup in place part, I'm just gonna use my good old loose powder. So yeah, where is my sponge? Oh my god, guys, why do I do this every single time? I just mess up. I mean, like, literally my makeup place always looks like kind of like mess most of the time. So I just don't remember where I kept the products. So I'm just taking my Kryolan loose powder and I'm gonna apply that on my all the areas where I have applied concealer, basically, to set that makeup in place. So this is something important, guys. So whenever you use a foundation or like a cream product, you just have to set that with a powder. Let it be loose powder, let it be compact powder, whatever your preference. So yeah, we're done with the powder thing and now we're gonna go with the blush part. And for the blush today, I'm gonna use my favorite. That's the NARS Orgasm blush. Just because I love shimmer shades. I'm just gonna apply this on the apples of my cheeks. So yes, guys, for the highlighter today, we're gonna use this Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. Can you guys see the product? Yeah. So this is a beautiful limited edition product. I mean, like, I just love this highlighter, guys. This is my favorite. This is one of my favorite, and I have also talked about this in my favorite highlighters video. So I'm just gonna apply that on my high points like that. So if you haven't already checked that video out, guys, do check that out. So I've shared a few of my favorite highlighters in that video. I'm gonna also apply this slightly under my brow bone area as well. So for the contour part today, I'm gonna take my Hoola Benefit bronzer. Oh my god, guys, this is my go-to bronzer. Like, anytime this is my go-to bronzer. So I'm gonna contour my nose with that first. Then I'm gonna go with the cheek thing. So I'm just applying it, that, and I'm gonna blend that out. So I'm just blending this downwards with very gentle strokes. I just don't want to make it like look like muddy. So when you are dealing with the bronzers, just like use a little product at the beginning, guys. So if you just feel that you need like a little more intensity of that bronzer over there, you can always go and build it up, because once you use like too much of product over there, you know, like especially with bronzing, it will turn completely muddy. So yeah, for the bottom lash line part, I'm gonna mix this brown and this black over here, and we're gonna apply that on the bottom lash line part. So if you just see, guys, I'm not taking this all the way into the inner part of the eye. I'm just concentrating it more on the outer part of it. And in the inner part, I'm gonna mix the two shades that we applied on the crease, the lighter shades, and I'm just gonna apply that right over there. So yeah, we're done with the eye makeup, and we're gonna go with the mascara now. And for the mascara today, I'm gonna use the NARS mascara. So this is the NARS Climax mascara. God, this is so gorgeous. I've just tried it out yesterday. This is my new purchase. I've just bought it like this weekend, and this mascara is like too gorgeous, you guys. Yeah, and I'm gonna coat my top and bottom lashes with that. Oops, I just wanna put my hair back. So yes, guys, for the lipstick today, I'm going to use this MAC Retro Matte liquid lipstick in the shade called Oh Lady. I mean, like, this is one of my favorite shades from their collection, guys. But you know what? This is the lipstick that I was actually talking about in my previous video. That's the current makeup favorites video. I love the color, like literally, I absolutely love this color. But you know what? This formula is just like so drying on my lips. So this is the color, guys. I mean, like, just look at this shade. I mean, like, this shade looks just like so stunning. I'm in love with this lip color, basically. I wish the formula would have been little better. So yeah, and we're gonna go quickly with the false lashes. In case if you're not huge fan of false lashes or something, you can just like leave the look like that with some mascara on. But I love false lashes, and I just feel that I can get that glam to that look with just that false lashes on, because I don't have like super thick lashes naturally. So I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty Samantha lashes. Please don't mind the packaging, guys. I have been using it for a couple of times now. So yes, guys, that's all for this video. I hope you like this makeup look. In case if you do so, please hit that like button, guys, and also please do click the subscribe button. That means so much to me. And yes, guys, also do follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is keerthikumarmakeup, and if you have any makeup and beauty related questions or like topic suggestions, please put them in my comment section below, guys. That's all for this video. We'll be seeing you soon with another video, guys. Till then, have a great day. Bye.